Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To convert a complex JSON data into a pandas data frame, you can use the pandas library in Python. The pdRead_JSON method in pandas allows you to read JSON data and convert it into a data frame. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to convert complex JSON data into a pandas data frame. 1. Install pandas. If you don't have pandas installed, you can install it using pip. 2. Import pandas and load the JSON data. First, import the pandas library and load your complex JSON data. You can either load it from a file or from a JSON string. For this example, let's assume you have a JSON file named data.json containing complex JSON data. 3. Read JSON data into a data frame. Use the pdRead_JSON method to read the JSON data into a pandas data frame. 4. Access and manipulate the data frame. Once you have the data in a data frame, you can access, manipulate, and analyze the data using pandas' powerful functionalities. Here's an example code snippet to demonstrate the conversion of complex JSON data into a pandas data frame. In this code snippet, replace data.json with the path to your JSON file containing the complex data. The pdRead_JSON method will load the JSON data into a pandas data frame, which you can then work with using pandas functionalities. Make sure that the structure of your JSON data is compatible with pandas data frame. If the JSON data is nested or has complex structures, pandas will try to flatten it into a tabular format. Once you have the data in a data frame, you can perform various operations such as filtering, grouping, sorting, and visualization using pandas. This makes it easier to analyze and work with complex JSON data in a structured format.